moving to the country. I'm gonna eat a lot of peaches. I'm moving to the country. I'm gonna eat me a lot of peaches.
All right, and we are back. It's the weekend once again, which means we're gonna make that long trek out to Florence. We're gonna see our boy. But you know, first, it's tobacco picking day out here at the L.W. Paul Living History Farm.
Peaches come from a can. They were put there by a man in a factory downtown. And if I had my little way, I'd eat peaches every day. Sun-soaking bulges in the shade. Moving to the country, I'm gonna eat a lot of peaches. Moving to the country, I'm gonna eat a lot of peaches.
It's the best day of the year, folks. It's getting them fields.
Some people say a man is made out of mud. A poor man's made out of muscle and blood. Muscle and blood and skin and bones. A mind that's weak and a back that's strong. You load 16 tons.
That's right, it's tobacco picking day down here at the L.W. Paul Living History Farm. All our friends are here as always. Minnie the Mule.
I owe my soul to the company store.
So, see you strip the tree down, get all the leaves off there, show you the technique. And you lay it out in the sled here, which gets pulled by, I think that's Minnie. I think so. Always a good day out here on the farm. Oof. Wading through the mud.
Some people say a man is made out of mud.
So then, they'll drive the sled over here.
Blood and skin and bones. A mind that's weak and a back that's strong. You load 16 tons. What do you get? Another day older and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store. I was born one morning when the sun didn't shine. I picked up my shovel and I walked to the mine. I loaded 16 tons of number 9 coal, and the straw boss said, well, to bless my soul, you load 16 tons. What do you get? Another day older and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store. I was born one morning, it was drizzling rain.
And then the ladies usually take over from there, tying it off and getting it ready to hang in the drying barn. here's the drying barn. They hang up these racks of tobacco in here, and they run smoke through these big metal tubes. Keep it running for weeks, basically, to keep it dry. It kind of became like the first like block party to some extent, because you'd have somebody over here stoking this fire, keeping it going all day, all night. So people from the area that come by with food, instruments, play music. People be staying out all night, maybe some booze, and everyone kind of just hung out and partied around the drying barn for a while. Made the waiting process easier, but super fun, man. And this is how farms in Horry County ran for hundreds of years. Old school traditions being kept alive, keeping the kids involved. You know, a lot of these folks who come out here every year, they grew up on tobacco farms. Their families were tobacco farmers. So, nice to preserve history a little bit. This is the roots of Horry County right here. Tobacco farming. Good stuff. Now they also have blacksmithing demonstrations, woodworking. All kinds of stuff here. And there's events all year round, so you can always come by and check it out. Great people, really good stuff. I even dragged the missus out here today.
Yes.
Cat's first day at the farm, how do you like it?
It's nice. We got to see a mule. Kids look like they're having a good time.
Yeah, we're gonna have to bring James back here one day when he gets older. But yeah, they also got chickens, cows, a whole house for the kitchen. They do demonstrations on how to make soap, how to dye stuff, everything here, man. Really cool. Well, we're back up here in Florence. I just want to thank all of our friends too at the Horry County Museum, the farm. It's always such a great experience. So many of the families that come out and participate are from tobacco growing families, and you know, that's hard farming, man. I mean, you see a lot of the pictures out of there. It was usually just, you know, a house and you grew it on your land that you had, because it was a cash crop and you had a lot of money. That since has changed. And Horry County, the county Myrtle Beach resides in, is the last county that still produces tobacco, from what I understand, in South Carolina. Wild. There are still family tobacco farms out there. You still see them. They'll have like maybe a little house with a bunch of land next to it. But yeah, we're back up here at the hospital. Visiting our little guy again. He's getting big. Yeah, most of our weekends have been spent up here at the hospital, hanging out with Junior. He's doing good though. Everything's good so far. Just needing to put on a little weight and grow a little bit more, and we can take him home. We're basically about a month out. His due date was our wedding anniversary, the 9th of October. So, fingers crossed. We've only really got about a month left. So until next time, happy Tobacco Day from here in Myrtle, well, I guess Florence. Until next time.
Millions of peaches, peaches for me. Millions of peaches, peaches for free. Millions of peaches, peaches for me. Millions of peaches.
Going to the country, gonna eat a lot of peaches.